Are you looking to get the most out of your iPhone 14 Pro?
Yes.
Here are 5 actual iPhone 14 Pro hidden features you should be using by now. So come join us in this video as we show you how to take your iPhone 14 Pro experience to the next level. 5. Lock a private note behind Face ID. In order to protect your privacy, you can lock your notes under a passcode.
Oh, I see.
Which enables you to access them with the passcode. But what if you could do it another way and ensure even greater security, or simply ensure that you're not found trying to remember your passcode? The latest update to our note-taking app comes with an exciting new feature that's sure to give you peace of mind when it comes to securing your private notes. You can now lock a private note behind Face ID so only you can access it. This feature is perfect for those who value privacy and want to keep their notes confidential. Here's how it works on your iPhone 14 Pro.
And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notes. Next, we go down and tap on Password. Now in here, tap on Use Custom Password. Now I'm going to use my Face ID to unlock this screen. And here it asks you to put in a new password. So we're going to create a password. So I'm just going to put in this password right here. And then go down to the verify text box and put in the same password again to verify it. And you can also use hint if you wanted to. Otherwise, we're just going to leave it blank and then tap on done. So I say hint is strongly recommended, so we're going to put it in keys and then tap on done. And it says update it to custom password. Use the password you created to manage your lock notes and tap on OK to finish.
It's that easy. So go ahead and start taking your notes with confidence, knowing that they're secure. You can also take your picture-taking experience to another level on your iPhone 14 Pro. 4. Shoot 48 megapixel photos. The 48 megapixels wide sensor in Apple's iPhone 14 Pro makes it capable of capturing amazing images with a resolution of more than 12 megapixels. However, the camera will use pixel binning to create 12 megapixel shots that use the additional megapixels while using less storage space on the phone.
Amazing.
Whether you're a professional photographer or just enjoy taking photos for fun, the iPhone 14 Pro's 48 megapixel camera is definitely something to get excited about. You can capture stunning images with a resolution of 48 megapixels, taking advantage of all the pixels on the main camera's sensor. Here's how to get that done.
Go into the Settings app, and then from here you're going to scroll down to Camera. On this screen you want to tap Formats at the very top. On the Format screen you're then going to turn on Apple ProRAW, and you're going to check underneath there. With that setting enabled, we'll jump straight into the Camera app, and I'll take 2 photos of the exact same scene. The first one is going to be taken with the ProRAW setting, which means we'll get the full 48 megapixels. And to do that, you're simply going to tap the RAW button in the top of the camera.
Coupled with even more amazing Apple Maps features, you will enjoy your iPhone 14 Pro like never before. 3. Add stops to your Apple Maps route. With the help of Maps, traveling has never been easier. The app offers a wide range of features that make it a valuable tool for any traveler, from providing accurate directions and real-time traffic updates to offering detailed information about local businesses and attractions. Whether you're exploring a new city, commuting to work, or just trying to find your way around, Maps offers great help. But have you ever been on a road trip and wished you could add stops to your route without having to manually enter them into your navigation app? Well, with the latest update to Apple Maps with iOS 16, you can include additional stops en route to your final destination with just a few taps. Whether you need to make a quick detour to grab some food or want to add a scenic viewpoint to your trip, the new feature makes it a breeze to customize your route and plan your perfect journey. Here's how.
Open the Maps application. Use the search bar to enter a destination. Tap the destination. Tap the car icon to show you the driving directions. Tap Add Stop. Use the search bar to enter a destination. Tap the new stop to add it. You can add more stops by following steps 5 to 7. You can use the 3 horizontal lines to drag the locations to rearrange the stops. You can even change your starting location using this method. When you are ready to start your journey, tap Go.
So it's time to hit the road and explore with even greater ease thanks to the new Stop Edition features. But hey, what if you're in a noisy place and Siri just won't pick up your voice? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks like this.
Okay.
2. Type to Siri. Siri is an AI-powered assistant that allows you to control your device hands-free, access information quickly, and accomplish tasks more efficiently. Whether you're home, on the go, or in the car, Siri can make your life easier and more productive.
Exciting!
But what if you find it challenging to communicate verbally, or you simply have difficulty hearing Siri's responses? Have you heard about the new Siri feature on the iPhone 14 Pro that enables users to type their requests rather than speak or listen? By simply typing out their requests, users can get the same level of functionality and convenience as they would with traditional voice commands.
In Settings, tap General and then tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Siri. Tap the switch to turn on Type to Siri.
Now, instead of launching Siri by tapping and holding the side key, you may make requests and view the results on the screen. Let me give you the one feature that allows you to get the most out of your phone, even with one hand.
What is that?
1. One-handed mode. It's just fulfilling to make use of every one of those apps and features on your iPhone. But what if you can reach the top of your iPhone 14 Pro screen with just one hand? Maybe you are holding something in your other hand that's making it difficult to navigate. Well, there's a handy feature in iOS called Reachability that can help make your life a little easier. When activated, all you have to do is swipe downward at the bottom of the screen, and it will bring the top half of the screen within reach of your thumb. So if you're looking for a way to navigate your iPhone 14 Pro with greater ease, give Reachability a try. Here's how.
On Settings, in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Reachability to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can swipe down at the bottom here to bring the top of the screen down.
Which of these iPhone 14 Pro features are you most excited about? Tell us in the comment section. Want to make the most out of your Mac? Our next video, make your Mac more faster with these 8 unlocking secrets, will give you all the tips on how to make it possible. Be sure to check it out. We will see you in the next video.